Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dennis the National. So if you are new, please be sure to like and subscribe. So today I'm walking the streets of Nairobi, and guys, as you can see, Nairobi looks very beautiful. So one thing I want to talk about today is the NMS is recarpeting all the streets in Nairobi. So that's a good thing because we will have a city with no potholes, and I really appreciate what NMS is doing. You know, these were things that were not done before. Like, the problem with Kenya and also Africa at large is that we don't maintain anything once we construct it. The moment we construct it, we leave it that way. So it crumbles back to I don't know, it crumbles back into nothing. So a road is constructed, it's left like that, no repair, no maintenance, and sooner or later the road is back to being as filthy as it was before it was constructed. So I am glad that NMS is changing, because they have been recarpeting all roads in Nairobi for the past 30 days or maybe earlier if I didn't know. And I really appreciate that, because we want a beautiful city, you know. And what they have done in a span of less than like 4 months is amazing. You can really see the change in Nairobi. So many things that weren't there that are now there, that one can celebrate about. Otherwise guys, watch till the end, like, subscribe. These positive changes all over popping up, you know, and when I see people like NMS, you know, doing something great that is changing Nairobi for the better, you know, making the city beautiful, clean and organized. Yeah, just recently they were testing I think it was the third testing of the Green Park, testing if Nairobi can do without matatus in the CBD. And personally I feel like if this is a success and one day we get to have a CBD without all the matatu madness, guys, I can tell you all of Nairobi will look like this place right here. It will be so beautiful and amazing. We will be loving Nairobi and the end result. So what I can actually ask anyone who is watching this video, after you have liked that is after you have liked the video, the second thing I would like to ask you guys is we should support something positive that is happening in Nairobi, you know. There are so many things NMS are doing and I don't support all of them, but there are some that they are doing that I see clearly and honestly, this is going to change the city for the better. So that project of building, bus parks outside the CBD, it's a good thing, because one of the worst things that happens to Nairobi is matatu congestion. The matatu, they don't respect traffic. How they drive is chaotic. They hoot, they shout on top of their voices. I mean, the city is just chaotic. So if we can do away with the matatus in the CBD, then guys, I can tell you beyond reasonable doubt, all of Nairobi can look like this. And if all of Nairobi can look like this, then we have a developed city, a city that is very beautiful, very clean, people can sell, people can be given specific places to sell their stuff without having to hawk around the city, like building specific markets where people can go sell their stuff, and then we can make the city a very, very beautiful city in Africa. People all over Africa will be coming to see what happened that worked in Nairobi. And this is what I always support, because I love Kenya so much and I love Nairobi. I would love to see it one day become the best city in Africa. Huh? I've lived in Nairobi for so long now, and I would love one day to show my kids that this city is beautiful because someone took a stand, someone did something different, like what the NMS are doing. And I hope we can all support it, guys. We can all support it. We don't have to have roads that are too crowded, too dirty, shouting, chaos. It doesn't make sense, guys. We can do better. It doesn't mean that we are Africa, we have to be okay. This has to be normal, where we have dirty places, there's no order, there's no control. I mean, we can do this. We can do this. I believe we can do this. So my prayer is that any government agency that is doing something good, it doesn't matter the political parties we support, which side we are on, we have to support what they are doing if it's good for the people of Nairobi and for the city. That is my prayer. Most of the times I feel like we support or oppose things in Kenya because of the political sidings they are in, whether or instead of supporting them or opposing them on the basis of how much are they going to help or how much are they not going to help. And we have to start thinking outside the political parties, and I hate the fact that we think in that way, because it takes us really backwards. Otherwise, I hope one day Nairobi can be the best city in Africa. And I don't just want it to be the best city in Africa, but one of the best cities in the world, so that when someone comes to Nairobi, they are like, wow, this city is amazing. I would like to live here, or I would love to like come here often and just see Nairobi and go back, stuff like that. Anyway, guys, I also do tours around Nairobi and Kenya. So if you're planning to travel in Kenya, I will leave my contacts in the description below. You can contact me. I can help you with the settling stuff, where you'll sleep, where you'll see, where you'll go traveling, and how to go about everything in Kenya. Otherwise, enjoy this. I'm glad that you have watched to this point, and thank you for always supporting me, guys. It means a lot to me, and I love you guys as much as I love Nairobi. Thank you.